My name is Dinzanne Ellis. I'm a graduate of the Florida State University, where I majored in information technology and minored in classics. I'm a future project manager / business administrator, where I would decisively tell people what to do and not how to do it. I can surely be an asset to your company, so join me today and enjoy viewing my tutorial. Thank you. Today, I will be teaching you how to install a video card that supports dual monitors. But the target audience for this tutorial would be people who want larger workspace areas on their desktop, persons who can't see very well, and gamers. I will be showing you how to install the video card, the components that you need, and further, how to set up your display area when you're installing the dual monitor video. Here you will notice that I have an open tower. This is where you'll be installing your video card. Here is the power, here's the fan, and here is your hard drive. The video card slot sits right here. This video card I have is a NVIDIA FX 3450. My video card has already been placed in the slot. Here is the back of the tower. You will see that the video card has two DVI slots and a DVI/VGA adapter attached to it. You will need two DVI adapters to support your video card and to support your dual monitors. As you can see, and I've told you before, this DVI adapter has already been attached. The second DVI adapter is now being installed. Make sure your screws are tightly screwed to prevent image loss. They're secure. Now we're going to connect the cables, the VGA adapters, to the monitors. You can also have a DVI card with a single DVI output. Here you will need a DVI or VGA adapter. This one is a single DVI adapter with a VGA and DVI output. Or you can have a DVI single input with two DVI outputs. Once again, make sure that your adapters are tightly screwed. Here you have the monitor. With the VGA cable, you turn it to the back gently so you don't break the monitor, and you connect the VGA output into the back of the monitor. Once again, make sure that it is tightly screwed. You will repeat the same process for the other monitor. Okay, cut it. Not gonna screw. Now that you have all your connections, you will now plug in your mouse and keyboard Since everything is connected, it is now okay to plug in your power cord. You'll now see that you have dual monitors, but it is not exactly set up the way you want it because it has duplicate screens. You want a split screen where you can have one desktop as your main desktop and an extended monitor. Now that your computer is up and running, you will now go to Display Properties to extend the monitors so you can have one pair of dual monitors. You right-click on your desktop, go to Personalize, go to Display, go to Change Display Settings, and in the Display tab, click Multiple Monitors, and multiple displays. Instead of duplicate these displays, extend these displays. Click OK to apply. Now you will see that you have a main desktop and an extended desktop. I will open Adobe Reader to display or give you an example of how you can utilize your dual monitors.
Move the window back and forth.
You can see that Adobe Reader acts like it's on one monitor. You can also open another window, drag that over here. Now you can see I've opened Notepad and I have it on one monitor. When you minimize, notice both documents go on your main screen. Now you should have a working dual monitor. Dual monitors make multitasking easier. Now that you have viewed my tutorial, you should be able to install your dual monitor video card, set up your dual displays. You can also find supplemental materials to this tutorial on my interactive resume at the link listed below. Thank you for viewing my tutorial.